Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to use templates in CapCut and all about templates. So first of all, open your CapCut app and then you're going to see templates here. Click on it. Here you're going to be able to see a lot of templates based on what you see, based on what they suggest you, based on your location. And then you can hit filters on that. You can hit landscape. Then they're going to show all the landscape templates, and then you can select the limit of images or videos that are used in that template. Let's say 10 to 20. All these templates you are using 10 to 20 clips, and then you can hit duration as well. Let's say 3 minutes. Now these are long form landscape templates, and then you can also search through the types of template you will use. Let's say daily life. This is a daily life template, and then selfie, and then velocity. All these are, velocity is basically a vertical mode template. This is why it's not showing here. So like if you hit portrait and if you hit 3 to 5, 0 to 15 seconds, you're going to be able to see a lot of velocity templates here, because this is basically a reel template, and from here you can see the duration of it, how many clips are used, and from here you can, if you are logged into your CapCut and if you sign up in your CapCut, then you can hit favorite as well.
Home, a place where I can go to take a...
Let's say we want to do a landscape, 5 to 10 clips, no limits. Let's not set the duration.
So what's wrong with you?
Excuse me?
People take this job to get away from something.
After you start hit use template, this is going to download the template, and after they're done downloading the template, the CapCut app will open along with the template, and you can see we can find template from here as well. If you open the CapCut app and come here, you're gonna see the templates. If your menu is like this, then just press this icon and then you can see that here is the template option. Now as we already have the template here,
So
we're gonna mute the sound of it because it might be copyrighted. So here you can see that it says 10 clips to be replaced. Click on here. Now you can see all the clips that can be replaced. Now if you click this one, and then select an image, this clip is going to be replaced. The image is going to be replaced, and then same goes for video as well. If you click this, let's say if you click here, then the image is going to be replaced with the image you selected. You can also import all the images together. For example, let's say I upload all these images here and then just drag and drop it. Drag and drop like this, then the image is also going to be replaced. As you can see, all these images are being replaced by the image I am giving them. And if you are confused that if I already added an image or not, you can see here is the text written added. So you already added these three. I didn't add this one, so add this one. I didn't add this one, let's add this one and this one. I have added all of the clips. Now let's watch the video. As you can see, the image is changed accordingly. Now if you want to crop this image, let's say you want to crop it and this is not the frames you want for this image, then just click crop and you can crop it to the view you want, and then just click confirm. Now as you can see, it is cropped and it is maintained to the image that you want to portray. Now same thing goes for videos as well. We only had one image to replace. We're going to do a video for this. Let's see this one, and let's drag and drop this video here. Let's click replace. Now as you can see, all of the clips are replaced, and then there is a video which is in the end of the clips. As you can see, this is a video. Now if you want to edit the video, crop the video, you can also do that. If you want to select a different time from that specific video, you can do that as well. And this is how you can use templates in your video from CapCut. This is way easier than editing a video manually. And after you're done, just click export, and then click the export settings you want to, and then hit export, and then your video is gonna be exported. So this is how you can add template and create videos using template in CapCut. Thank you for watching.